Hi there everyone, I'm here to show you how to set your AutoCAD page setup. So I'm going to start by opening my AutoCAD. I'm using AutoCAD 2007. You can also do the same setting for other versions of AutoCAD. So I'll start by opening AutoCAD 2007. So when you look at the different interface, for those who are just using it for the first time, you can take your time and get used to the tools. But before you start using your AutoCAD, you have to do at least some major setup that are required for you to work and start your drawing. So we're going to start now. So first of all, you go to look at the top menu. You see the tool called Format. So when you click on Format, these are the different page setup you can do, but we just go to the basics. The rest you can do them later, but for the basic, for you to start drawings with your lines and shapes. So you go to Unit. From Format, you go to Unit. Now you can look at length and angle, decimal degrees. You just go to Precision. You can use whatever you like, but I think the best is 0.0 so that your decimal can be in a good number. Then when you come to units to scale, you can change it to, for architects you can use, I like using millimeter because I'm an architect. So depending on what you want, let's use millimeter, which is understandable by everyone. So you click it, then you click OK. The other settings there, will just say OK. Then you also go to Format again, go to Drawing Limits. Format, Drawing Limits. You press Enter key. Then you want to type your upper right corner. You can use, let's say, a range of 50,000 to 100,000, but let's just start with, let's just say 100,000 for everybody. 100,000. Remember, you are in millimeter. Then you press the comma. Then the other side, you can use 50,000 or 100,000. Let's just say 100,000. 100,000. Then you press Enter. Then you go to View, Zoom, then you select all. Yes. So these are very important. Then something else you need to set is you can see this Y and Z origin. If you want to make it stable, like when you are zooming out, it will be jumping around, so you can just set it to stay on one place. So you go to View, you go to Display, you see icons, then you see origin here, you untick it so you can see it's stable there. Then something else you need to set up your snap. You can learn all these other tools, but at least this is important for you to work with. Make sure you right click on your object snap. For those of you using 2007, higher versions, you can check for your object snap settings. They will be below your object snap. For 2007 users, you right click, you see settings, then you come to the object snap, select all. You can see mine is already selected, so you click select all, and all the rest will be selected, then say OK. Then you can also tick your line width so that your thickness of your drawings will show while you are working. And I think that's okay for now. You can start your drawing and the rest. Thank you.